Viking products are designed for the culinary enthusiast desiring professional quality results. Our signature Viking 5-ply professional cookware is constructed to ensure responsive even heating and easy maintenance. 3 distinct layers of aluminum create a solid core that is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel to deliver even heat throughout the bottom and sides of the pan for consistent results, whether searing, sautéing, or frying. The 1810 stainless interior will not react with food and is easy to clean. Fry pans are also available in non-stick. 5-ply professional cookware features an elegant satin finish and works on all cooktops, including induction. It is oven, broiler, grill, and dishwasher safe. Our signature Stay Cool handle is ergonomically friendly for comfort, balance, and control. Deeper pans include domed stainless lids. NSF certified and handcrafted in the USA, Viking Professional Cookware also carries a lifetime warranty.
Cookware set stainless steel tri-ply base. Set includes 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, 5.5 quart covered deep sauté pan, 1.5 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart covered saucepans, and 8 quart covered sauce pot. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Cookware vessels and stainless steel lids are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit / 260 degrees Celsius.
Calphalon 15-piece pots and pans set. Constructed of hard anodized aluminum for excellent heat conduction. Set includes 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan, 12-inch fry pan,
2.5 quart and 3.5 quart saucepans with covers, 4.5 quart soup pan and 3 quart sauté pans with covers, 5 quart sauteuse and 8 quart stockpot with covers.
Unique cookware design and flat glass covers stack and nest in any order. Metal utensil safe. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe.
Your piece of cookware and get going in the kitchen, get cooking. So the other nice thing too is this is your lid. The handle is riveted on, it has a nice arched grip, it's rimmed in steel, and it's tempered glass. This allows for a really tight fit, so you keep your flavor and nutrients inside your cookware, and so they won't be released. But on the other hand too, you can see what's going on when you're cooking, so that's really great. So that's a terrific way to store your lids. Again, like I said, know exactly what to reach for. Being that this is hard anodized, it's super efficient to cook with. So it heats up really quickly, it stays hot, and it also, you won't have hot spots or areas in the cookware that will be a different temperature. It's really super consistent. You notice that the lid, the handle is actually riveted on right here, has a nice grip, it's beautifully styled. And then in the interior of this stack of cookware, you'll notice that there's also measure markings here. So if you're going to cook something like rice or something that you know exactly how much water you need to get started, that's a perfect example of an added feature for you. And then not on the 2 skillets, but on the sauté pan, it also has measure markings. The other thing is that this cooker can be used on all cooking surface except for induction, and this is actually not dishwasher safe, just so you know. So be sure to wash this by hand in your sink and you'll be all set to go. So there you have it, the Cuisinart nesting cookware set. It keeps you organized, you know exactly what to reach for, and it takes up 30% less space in your kitchen cabinet or cupboards.